Page 204, we're going to be taking a look at lesson 6.5. This is the first video in a series of several to teach you lesson 6.5, which is on the concept of percent of change. So when something changes by a certain percent, that's what we're looking at today and for the next several videos. So the first one in the blue box there where it says learn, solve word problems involving percent increase and decrease, percent decrease. Here's the problem. Mr. Sato sells fish at a 60% markup. He pays $3.75 per pound for haddock, that's a type of fish, 1 week. At what price per pound will he sell it? Markup means that he's going to increase the amount that he sells it for from what he paid for it. So if he paid $3.75, we got a little model here. If he paid $3.75, that's 100% of the price. He's going to add a 60% to it, 60% of the $3.75. So the book has it, a certain way, and I like to do it slightly differently. 60%, of course, means 60 out of 100. That's what percent means, is out of 100, or 0.60, which is just equal to 0.6. So if we want to find 0.6 of 375, we're going to do 3.75 times 0.6. We can't do 0.60, but there's no reason to put that 0 in there. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 6 is 42. That's 45. And 3 times 6 is 18 plus 4 is 22. So we have to move the decimal point over 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, and the decimal point goes right there. $2.25 is the 60%. That's the markup. But what does he sell it for? Well, he's going to sell it for $3.75 plus the $2.25 markup to give us $6 per pound for that haddock. All right, so just simply multiplying and then some adding here. We're just multiplying. All right, pause the video, do number 1 on page 205, and then after you've done it, turn the video on and see how I solved it to make sure you're understanding and doing it right. All right, so here we go. I'm going to do it my way. At a post office, the weight of the mail at 10 a.m. was 80 pounds. 2 hours later, the weight of the mail had increased by 30%. Find the weight of the mail at noon. So we start off with the mail at 10 a.m. This is at 10 a.m. And at 10 a.m., the weight, which is 100%. Okay, let's see. This is not working. Sorry. Try to activate this again. There we go. 100% of that is, what did it say? 80 pounds. Okay, and then this is 2 hours later, it increased by 30%. So this went up 30%, this part right here, 2 hours later. And we want to know what did it weigh right here. So we just simply have to find 30%, which is equal to 0.3 of 80, of this 80, and then add it to the 80. So we do 80 times 0.3, which is a real easy problem, 24, and it goes over 1 spot. So that means it's 24-pound increase, and if we take 80 and 24, we get 104. So it weighed 104 pounds at noon, at 12 p.m. Alrighty, pause the video, do number 2, and then we will see if you got it right. Turn the video back on. Okay, here we go. Number 2. The price of a new car was $22,800 in April. However, the price of the car was reduced, that means it went down, hopefully you didn't add it to it, by 5% in May. Find the price in May. There's 2 ways to look at this. We have a price of $22,800 And if it decreases by 5%, I can take the 100%, find the 5%, and take that off to figure out what the price is. Or I can just go straight to the 95%. I can find 95% of this, and then that's the sale price. I would rather find 5% of it and then subtract from this price here. So let's do 5% of 22,800. We're going to multiply that times, not times 0.5 because that's 50%. This is times 0.05. If you multiplied it times 0.5, you found half of, or 50% of that amount. 0, 0, 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. And then 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. And we got to move the decimal point over 2 spots. And so we have 1,140 is the decrease in the price. So, and does that make sense? Does that sound like a right number? Well, if it was half of it, it would be $11,000, right? And this is only 1,140. Oh, look at that. I got a little square. Okay, so 22,800. We're going to subtract 1,140. And so here we have 80 minus 14. I'm going to do that without regrouping. I know that that would be 66, right? 66 plus 10 is 76, plus 4 is 80. And then I got 22 minus 1, which is 21. And so the sale price would be $21,660. Alrighty, that's it. Hope you got it. If not,